Choosing the right crib is an important decision, as it needs to provide comfort, safety, and support for your baby early years. The Babyletto Hudson 3-in-1 Convertible Crib and the Davinci Kalani 4-in-1 Convertible Crib are two popular options. Both offer quality construction and thoughtful features, but they differ in style, functionality, and long-term use. The Davinci Kalani is a 4-in-1 crib that converts all the way to a full-size bed. This allows it to remain useful well beyond the toddler years. Parents looking for extended value often appreciate this feature. The Babyletto Hudson is designed as a 3-in-1 crib that transitions into a toddler bed and then a daybed. This makes it ideal for early childhood stages without overwhelming complexity. It focuses on simplicity rather than long-term expansion. The Babyletto Hudson features a more compact footprint, making it a smart choice for smaller nurseries, apartments, or shared rooms. Its space-saving design allows parents to maintain an open, uncluttered feel while still providing a comfortable sleeping area for baby. This streamlined structure fits naturally into modern living environments, where every inch counts. The Davinci Kalani has a larger, more substantial build, especially as it transitions into later stages. Its expanding design requires additional room. This makes it better suited for spacious nurseries or homes with dedicated bedroom space. Families with larger layouts often appreciate the Kalani size, as it offers a more traditional and full-scale furniture presence. The Babyletto Hudson is designed to support children from infancy through the preschool years. It works well for parents who plan to update bedroom furniture as their child grows. The crib focuses on comfort, safety, and simplicity during early stages. Its straightforward design makes daily use easy for new parents. The Davinci Kalani is built for long-term use, growing with your child from babyhood into the teenage years. With the proper conversion kits, it can be used for many years without replacement. This makes it a smart choice for families looking for lasting value. Its durable construction supports extended use over time. The Babyletto Hudson has a clean and modern look. Its smooth lines and rounded slats fit well in modern nurseries. Many parents choose it for its stylish and simple design. Davinci Kalani offers a more traditional and timeless look. Its solid build pairs well with classic nursery themes. This design blends easily with various home styles. In conclusion, the Babyletto Hudson 3-in-1 Convertible Crib is slightly ahead as the best overall choice for most parents, and proves to be a better option compared to the Kalani crib.